Hello friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me again in today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to make oatmeal for breakfast. Oatmeal is nutritious and healthy. It is filled with vitamins such as vitamin B1 and some minerals which is good for your body, such as zinc and copper. For more oatmeal nutrition, you can check the description box. I've listed them down. You can make a simple healthy oatmeal recipe with different toppings such as banana, peanut butter. In today's video, I'm going to be using strawberry as my topping. In this oatmeal recipe, I'm going to be using milk. Some people use water for their oatmeal, but I'll be using milk because it helps bring out the real taste of the oatmeal. And I'm adding 400 ml of whole milk to the pot. I'm just going to allow it to start boiling just for a little while. Just when you notice some tiny bubbles on the side of your pot, I'm going to be adding half cup of old-fashioned rolled oats to the milk. And then I'm going to just stir it a little bit. And I'll go in with my sweetener. You can use maple syrup or honey. I'm using honey. So I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of honey. And half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. After that, I'm just going to stir and make sure it combines. And then I'll cook the oatmeal for 5 minutes while stirring intermittently. You may not need to cover this as it cooks because it might likely overflow. While my oatmeal is cooking, I'm just going to start preparing my toppings. I'm just going to bring my frozen strawberries into a pot and then add 3 tablespoons of water to it. And to the strawberry, I'm just going to season it with a sweetener. So I'm adding in a tablespoon of honey. Cover this and leave it to cook until it's soft. After like 3 minutes, my topping is ready. I will just turn off the heat. Once you have a nice consistency of oatmeal like this, not too thick and not watery, it's time to turn off your heat. Once your oatmeal is cooked, you can bring it into a serving bowl and then add in your favorite topping. So I'm just going in with my strawberry topping. And then for a beautiful finishing, I added more fresh strawberries to my oatmeal. Guys, this was how to make an easy, delicious oatmeal recipe for breakfast. I hope you loved this video. If you do remember to give me a thumbs up. You can share this video with your friends, and if you're new here, please subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss any video whenever they are uploaded. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.